I'm looking outside my window. I try to see where my light goes. I just don't know how it's.
Hi love, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you are new, then hi, I'm Zina. Today I'll share how to make this elegant looking updo that you can do in minutes. So let's get started with making a very high ponytail like I'm showing, making sure to smooth it out using a comb. Now you want to divide your ponytail into 2 equal sections and tie another ponytail right below first section like I'm showing using a clear elastic, and then you want to fan around, create a loop. We will make with it a bubble and we want to twist it inside and pin it in place using a bobby pin, and you want to repeat with hair left. So make our bubble, fan around, hiding the ends. You want to pin it in place. If your hair is longer, then you can do one more loop. Now, releasing our front section, we want to make the same steps. We want to make our loop using a clear elastic, fan around, hiding the elastic. You want to pin it in place inside like so. And we want to repeat the steps over and over again until you have no more hair to add. Also, if you have shorter or more time to play with your hair, you can do it in 3 sections and fan it out, so it will look more like a bun from curls. Now you want to pin in place the bubbles this way so our elastics are not showing. You want to use some hairspray to fix it, and you're done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this elegant looking bun. Guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified 3 times a week when I post a new hair tutorial. Love you guys so much. See you soon in my next video. Bye!